All right, guys, quick customer bike highlight. This is obviously an Aprilia RS660 2021. This one belongs to Mike, so let's get right into highlighting, getting a close-up of all the accessories and upgrades that he chose. Let's start with the Risoma stealth mirrors. Sorry, I had to change my camera settings. These are in the open position. You guys already know we love these. Let's see if he does not have the Risoma light unit front turn signals, but I believe what he's waiting for is we're gonna do a MIV exhaust that sits under there with the Euro map, which puts the turn signals in the headlight. Moving on to some crash protection. By far the best ones we've seen are the Evotech. He's got the frame sliders, front axle sliders, rear axle sliders, and driven racing spools. He also has the Aprilia sticker kit for the wheel. You can kind of see that there for some added aesthetics. What else? RNG carbon fiber tank protectors, carbon fiber tail protectors. Let's look at this Fender Eliminator Kit. This is the JL design, I think. Very clean. One of the cleanest, kind of most tucked Fender Eliminators we've seen for the new Aprilias is here by JL Design. Let's take a look at the lighting of this one. Check the turn signals. So although it's nice and tucked, the turn signal function is pretty much, I don't want to say useless, but it's so much in the center that, yeah, it doesn't, not very functional, but it's there. What else? Aftermarket seat. This is not by Aprilia. I'm not sure who this is by, but that is a custom seat. Of course, he has the solo seat cover by Aprilia. If you can find one for your bike, grab one. These are hard to get. Spider adjustable levers for the brake and clutch. He has the Aprilia USB power outlet there. That's a no-brainer. I think that one's only like 60 bucks. What else? That's all that's standing out to me. He's got the quad lock phone mount. Oh, the what is this? The MRA looks light smoke, tall windscreen. I dig it. I like the shape. I personally would choose clear, but this one looks like you can see through it. Also, while it's on my mind, and I think we have one outside, I'm going to show you guys how effective these frame sliders could be. We have a bike outside. I'll take you out there right now. Yeah, let's go check it out. So this is another RS660. This one had a very low speed spill. You'll see damage on that frame slider, but no damage on the fairing. Clutch cover nice and clean. The rear brake pedal did take a little hit and went into the exhaust. Luckily, we already have an exhaust, an SE project coming for this customer, and we have this replacement rear brake pedal in stock. So we really love those Evotech frame sliders. Let's go back inside. Yeah, and I think that's it, guys. I happen to have two other RS660s here with two different Fender Eliminators, so I'm going to do a quick back-to-back comparison of all three for you guys right now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you, Mike. Can't wait to do the MIV exhaust for you. See you soon.